Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add cinematic open door intro using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a video and select new to create new project. And here I'm just going to go to my download folder or download album, and I'm going to select one of the video from this download album. For example guys, I'm just going to choose this video. Okay, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Alright, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can add cinematic open door intro for this video. If you want to add that kind of intro, we can go to the VIP and then go to the InShot material. And in the section, we'll be able to get a cinematic open door intro. We can go to the green screen. Where is it? Okay. And then we're going to scroll down. And we're going to find the cinematic open door. This one. And make sure you have good internet connection to download this intro. Okay. And I'm just going to click on this icon to fit the screen. Alright, and then we're going to remove the green screen of this intro. You can click on your video like this, and then you're going to go to the chroma feature. You can select cut at first, and then select the chroma feature and pick the green color, and then adjust the strength and also the shadow. Okay, I'm just going to make them 100% and click on the check mark. Okay, and now it's done guys. I'm going to play it to show you the final result. Okay, this is for the intro. Alright, that's so cool. Okay, and then actually you can make it faster if you want. If you want to change the speed, just go to the speed menu and you can customize the speed. For example, I'm just going to make it faster. Okay, and click on the check mark, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add cinematic open door intro using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.